Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to message the top picks in Tinder. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Let's simply try to message the top picks in Tinder. On the nav bar at the bottom, you will see these icons. Simply click on the item that looks like a star. I'm gonna click on it. Then something like this will open up. Right here, what we want to do is simply message the top picks. Well, these are the top picks that are available. I'm simply gonna click on this top pick right here, and something like this will open up. I'm just gonna scroll down, and right here you can see something like this. Simply type your message here and hit on send. And guys, that's about it. That's how you message top picks on Tinder. Do you know that sending messages like this increases your chance of getting a match by up to 25%. And guys, that's it. That's how you message top picks on Tinder. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.